It's an outrageous incident against a woman that will make your blood boil. Patna witnessed a horror show on Thursday when a bunch of men beat up a woman and then virtually stripped her in full public view. Worse still, it all happened in broad daylight on one of the city's busiest roads near Gandhi Maidan. Not a single man in the entire crowd dared intervene, and if that wasn't enough, the police arrived half an hour late, watched the show for another hour before taking the culprits to the police station. Now, the woman was humiliated as she was taken in a cycle rickshaw as a bunch of men followed, a shameful spectacle right on the streets of Patna. The men then stopped and began to push her around near Apsara Cinema. It was around 5:30 p.m. when a movie had just finished. The crowd from the theatre kept swelling by the minute and everyone watched as mute spectators. It all got worse a few moments later as the crowd watched the woman being molested and then stripped in public view. It was a free-for-all. It also appeared that some men in the crowd joined in humiliating the woman. And then after watching the entire show for 1 hour, police arrested the men. But at the police station, the cops allegedly humiliated the woman, saying it was her fault. She was allowed to leave only 2 hours later. Now, the woman has told the police that she has been lured to Patna by a certain man. She was taken to a hotel where she ran away after the men and his friends tried to rape her. To add insult to injury, the men told police that the woman was a sex worker and had tried to entice them.
वापस चली गई, नौकरी का झांसा दिया था उसने और कल पुनः ये पटना आई। पटना में राकेश का कहना है कि इन्हें नौकरी के लिए लाया, परंतु वास्तविकता यह है कि यहाँ पर बॉब होटल है, वहाँ पर इस महिला ले गया। चंद कस्टमर्स बुलाए थे गलत नियत से।
To the commissioner that I want the detailed report, and I'm writing to the chief minister also that he should take care of about all these things, and there should be severe punishment to that fellow and others who were watching and who were the part and parcel of that episode.
The NCW has to get into this whole thing, and I'm sure a delegation will go and visit Bihar government, and they are going to talk to Girija ji about it, and I'm sure the delegation will visit and pressurize Bihar government to take action. Chief Minister very casually has said there will be inquiries set up in the matter. What is there to inquire? Inquiries after inquiry. Inquiries normally are to let the people go out of the net, and that is what these inquiries have become. So I think it's important to see the people who are really pushing her, pulling her. It's all available on the the media which took the whole scene, recorded the whole thing. I think they should review that, get all those people, arrest them and punish them.
If only we ensured that the existing laws apply and that nobody can escape it, that itself would be a great deterrent before we go looking into making new laws. There has to be a societal reaction that should be invoked. I don't know what the NGOs are doing, because they should be up in arms against such things, and a woman's right to her self-respect and dignity, irrespective of what trade she's in. That's nobody's business.
Avinash Salve, the math, English and physical education teacher in the school, used to tease their daughters, also made obscene emesis of their daughters.
The parents say that they had complained about the incident to the principal as well as the police, but no action was taken.
And angry over this, the parents beat up the principal. Also, they also blackened his face. You can see visuals of that violence happening there in Mumbai.
They then took the accused teacher to Kanjur Marg police station. Right, in case you've just joined us, those are visuals of a teacher being beaten up after parents alleged that he was eve-teasing their daughters and shooting obscene messages of them. Physical education, maths and physics teacher in a Mumbai school.
Right, these are angry parents of the students of Indian Education Society in the Bhandup area of Mumbai. They beat up the principal, blackened his face as well, and also a teacher was targeted here in the morning today. They allege that Avinash Salve, the maths, English and physical education teacher of the students here in the school, used to tease their daughters, made in fact obscene MMSs also of the act.
4 days after these pictures shocked the country, finally some movement forward. The 2 photographers who clicked these images identified all the 14 arrested for allegedly molesting the 2 NRI women. The suspects were paraded before them at Mumbai's Arthur Road jail on Saturday afternoon. Their identification a crucial factor since the victims have refused to testify in the case.
I was the witness. We have done our procedural matter and the things will be investigated properly. नहीं अंदर की वो investigation की है. I can't disclose it to you that.
Sources in the Mumbai police have told NDTV that the identification parade that was conducted today here at Arthur Road Jail has been extremely successful. This was always a weak case, but with this testimony, the police are confident that they will be able to clinch the case.
But not everyone is convinced that the right men have been nabbed. An article in the Shiv Sena mouthpiece Samna says the saviors have been arrested and that the real perpetrators of the crime are still at large. Party leader Uddhav Thackeray even went to the extent of accusing outsiders, who according to him have tarnished Mumbai's image as a safe city for women.
माता भगिनींची आबरू मुंबईची आबरू धुळीला मिळवत आहे ही जपण्याची आणि त्याचं रक्षण करण्याचं काम सुद्धा हे प्रत्येक मुंबईकराचं आहे. त्याला बाकी शिक्षा नाही केली तरी चालेल पण हिंद काळा पूर्ण मुंबईवर हेच ते नराधम हेच ते नालायक.
But with most accused being locals, perhaps the party will now have some food for thought. With Ruhi Khan and Kate Kyangre in Mumbai, Satpreet Kaur, NDTV.